friends, hello everyone! Today we will make with you a completely non-toxic super glue. What ingredients do we need? 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of 7 to 10% vinegar, 10 grams of gelatin, half a tablespoon of glycerin, that's all. In this jar, I was poured 2 tablespoons of ordinary drinking water. Now we will heat it up using a construction hair dryer. We take ordinary 7 to 10% vinegar and add 1 tablespoon. Mix well, add 10 grams of gelatin, this is a whole pack, and also mix well. Take the simplest glycerin, add half a tablespoon and mix everything until smooth. Well, let's test it and see what it is capable of. Is it really that good? We take 2 boards and press them together. I'll take a clamp and clamp it with a clamp. We will also take plexiglass and glue it together. Let's try sandpaper. You need to wait so that they can be glued together, that is, fabric with fabric, because the side here is fabric. We will leave it like this without clamping it with a clamp. This glue should be stored tightly closed. You can see that it has already become transparent after it has been mixed well, it just steams more. I decided to squeeze the sandpaper with a clamp after all, that would be fair. Let's leave this to dry like this. Leave for an hour. The glue got on my fingers, it sticks well, of course. Not like store-bought ones, but still. So friends, a little over an hour has passed, let's see what happened here. The glue freezes like this in the end, but it will be enough to heat it up and keep it in a closed jar and you can use it again the second time. Let's see what we got here. Well, it holds well on the tear-off. This is how it comes off. The glue holds well, the fabric comes off. Let's try the boards. Well, listen, it holds tight. Look what's going on. As you can see, it's worthy. I didn't expect that at all. I did not expect it to glue so well. Look how it came off. That is, the glue turned out to be super glue. Friends, this is such a short release, the glue turned out to be very strong to my surprise. I really did not expect it. But I am certainly happy with the result. If you have not seen such glue, then thumbs up too. If you have seen it, be sure to write comments, how do you feel about such glue? But today I say goodbye to you, until we meet again, bye!